The AICC's newly appointed Meghalaya in charge, A. Challakumar, on Tuesday said leaders who backstabbed Congress can return to the party if they have faith in its ideology, but fulfilling their expectations may be difficult. He said this amid speculations that Congress has been approaching leaders like Mukul M. Sangma and Charles Pengrop to come back to the party. Stating that the MPCC is in the process of filling all party positions, Kumar said leaders who quit the party over the past few years can be considered for organizational responsibilities, even as he credited Congress for establishing Nehu, NIFT, Shillong-Tura Highway and other projects in Meghalaya.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Those who wants to come back to Congress, yes, it is a welcome move, but in that also there should be certain things are there that I cannot reveal now, because some people have backstabbed the Congress party also. And see, if someone is having a faith with the ideology of the Congress party, they are most welcome to the Congress party. If someone is expecting something, then it is very difficult for us to fulfill their grievance.
After the proscribed